Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, the Kalam Kaval pre-release teaser is here. And since I will watch the movie whenever it releases on OTT, at least I can watch these teasers and make myself a little happy. So yeah, let's watch this right away.
என் தங்கச்சி தான் சார்.
இந்த பெங்கள ஜீவிதம்
These are all the
எங்களோட பொண்ணுதான்
women.
சார். அவ
Okay.
திரும்பி வருவாளா சார்?
Missing women. Ooh, nice music. Oh, really nice music.
പിന്നീട് പിന്നീട് കൊല്ലുക എന്നുള്ളത് എനിക്കൊരു ഹരമായി മാറി.
ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ സുഖം കിട്ടുന്നത് മനുഷ്യനെ കൊല്ലുന്നു.
Damn. Stage is set, yes. Get your tickets now. I can't. That is the worst thing. I will be watching DS Ire on 5th since it's releasing finally on OTT. So, yes, I'll be watching a movie on 5th, but not this one. So, it is what it is. Let me stop this. I know there was a interview also released recently with Mamuka on this channel itself, but it's not subtitled. Wait, it's just in the recommendation. Let me just check if it's subtitled. No, it's not subtitled. So yeah, otherwise I would have definitely reacted to this interview because it's a 25-minute interview, and you know, listening to Mamuka about the film, about the acting process and all of that, it's just always such a pleasure. But if any other creator has subtitled it, please let me know. So this little teaser also kind of gave us the glimpse of all the missing women. So I like how this whole promo started. There's a sense of mystery, there's a sense of menace, and there's a sense of this really weird vibe that, you know, we're not going to be probably comfortable watching this. That's the vibe I got from all these teasers and trailers, basically, that this is going to be an uncomfortable watch, in the sense that, you know, emotionally an uncomfortable watch, not visually, because that's not what the trailers and the promo material has suggested. Because otherwise, if it had that kind of gore, because Mamuka is playing a serial killer here, I'm sure they would have probably highlighted it in the trailer and not give the audience a shock. But I don't know. It's a Malayalam film. We probably are in for a shock when we go and watch this film. But let's see. But I'm saying emotionally, definitely it's going to put you at an unrest and a discomfort, knowing that, yeah, this is really, really not okay. And whatever is happening on screen is not okay. And this is painful to watch, and it's really sad. So I feel that's the overall theme. Obviously, along with the fact that how Vinayakan catches up to him, you know, when he figures out that Mamuka is kind of playing this hide and seek game. He's hiding in plain sight in a way, because now this has kind of become an addiction, and he gets so much pleasure out of killing these random women, basically. So yeah, good luck. This looks great. Good luck to the makers. I hope this works, and because this has so far impressed me, all these, you know, little promo and glimpses so far, they have impressed me. And you guys let me know how this movie was. Yes, I will, and I will let you know how DS Era was. So just before I sign off, I've started my Patreon page. I'm going to be obviously sharing the edited reactions. I'm still figuring out how to edit it without getting the reaction blocked. But if you want to see the complete unedited reaction, so far I have done the movie reaction for Dude and a couple of episodes of Kerala Crime Files season 2. I plan to watch Bison and DS Ire this week. Like, I plan to watch and record these two movie reactions, and I'm saying, I'm still figuring out how to best edit it in a way that it doesn't get blocked on YouTube, and at least you guys can watch the edited movie reactions here. So because I've never done it, I know a lot of channels do that. They like show short clips and stuff like that. I tried it with Dude, but it's still getting blocked, so I'm still figuring it out, just letting you know. And yeah, that was it. That was the reaction, and those are my thoughts and the little information that I wanted to give you. And I will sign off now, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.